Hello, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I'm gonna share with you guys favorites because it's been a while since I've done favorites videos, I feel like. Has it? Or did I do one last month? I don't remember if I did one last month or not. But just so you guys know, there's a giveaway going on. I'll link the video up here in an iCard so you can go check it out. It's the Aries tutorial I did. There's a giveaway in that video. So it's gonna be going on for 2 weeks. You wanna go be a part of that giveaway, so I'll put the link up here in an iCard. So today I'm sharing with you guys favorites. We're hopping right into it. We're getting right into it. I'm really excited. I'm gonna start with eyeshadow palettes. These two palettes I have been using so much. They're really gorgeous. And if you're someone that you don't know what eyeshadows to get, what eyeshadow palettes are good, that's what these favorites videos are for. I'm telling you what I've actually been using and been picking over other palettes and other things. First off, these are both affordable, super affordable. So here we got ColourPop, the Misunderstood palette. This is from their Villains collection that they just came out with. They paired up with Disney to create like a Villains palette. Misunderstood, and this one's fun because it has a lot of fun pop-up colors, metallics, shimmers, really beautiful. And then you have these matte colors that you can create and kind of pair up with these looks. So this is fun for someone that wants some color, wants to kind of dive into some creativity. This is a great way to go because these are really pigmented, really beautiful, and I love all of these. And you can create a really glamorous, beautiful look with this palette. I have a full review on it. I'll put it up in an iCard. And then for my neutral girls, this is the best palette ever. And my smoky eye girls, this is just a great everyday palette. This is the 15N Night Master palette from Morphe. First off, it's metal and it's really good quality. It has a huge mirror and you have a bunch of neutrals. You have some deeper shades in there too, so you can create like a smoky eye. You have some plums in there and you have some warms in there. You have some golds, and so it's a palette that I think anyone can really benefit from if you're looking for something that's more wearable, more kind of neutral, but you can still get a really glamorous like date night look from this. I absolutely love it, and the pigmentation is there. It's really smooth, and I just really love it. I paired this up with this like bright orange to create this look today, and I just love this. This is something I reach for every day. Like, I love Shook, I love Selfie, I love Custom here. I kind of smack that all over the place, my crease, my lid, my underneath my brow bone, and it just creates a really soft, natural look. So I really love these. All right, let's go with foundations. So this is the lightest shade I've ever been, and I don't have a lot of foundations that match me right now because usually I've had a little sun, but I'm not gonna lie, it's kind of been super cold and then really rainy. I'm barely starting to go outside. It's barely starting to get nice. So the two foundations that I have found that match me and are really beautiful, and that's why I've been wearing them. And then I was like, hey, I really do love these. First off, Hard Candy Glamouflage foundation. If you're like a foundation snob, I don't know what to call it, you don't ever go to the drugstore, this is a good drugstore foundation to try because it's very full coverage. And this is actually the one foundation that if I cry in it, if it's rainy, it won't streak or smudge. Like, it's very, I don't want to say waterproof, but it's very water resistant, and it's very, like, when it's humid and I want something to stay on my face all day and to have that coverage all day where it doesn't fade, and I want like, I don't want to have any like anything peeking through, any blemishes, anything like that, this is kind of what I go to. It is my die-hard true foundation. It never lets me down. I have the shade Olive, and it's the perfect shade for me right now, and I absolutely love it. The downside is they don't have a ton of shades, but hopefully you can find something that matches you, or you can mix and match. It's so cheap. It's $6 that it's just really good. And it has a doe foot applicator. It does have a beautiful finish, and I just really love it. I really love it. And then this one, The Ordinary. This is the full coverage formula, and another really inexpensive foundation. I think it was like $5, and it's really good. I'm in the shade 2.0 YG. which is yellow golden, and it is just a really good, soft, smooth. It has a ton of coverage, but it feels a lot more lightweight than this hard candy one does, and it's really, 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 really good. It did take forever to get to me from shipping, but now that I have it, I really love it. The pump locks, it's a small bottle, it's great for traveling, it's really good foundation. It's been a while since I've been wearing this one, so I really love it, and I wanted to give it a mention because it's all I've been wearing for the past month and a half, almost 2 months, are these two foundations and the Dior one. But you guys see me wear the Dior foundation all the time, so I'm not going to mention that one. All right, and to set, okay, let's talk about concealer. This is no surprise, you guys, this Smashbox Photo Fish, what is it? Smashbox Studio Skin concealer is amazing, and they have olive shades. I have the shade Light Neutral Olive. It is my perfect under eye color. So gorgeous. It is more like light medium coverage. It's not super full coverage, but it still looks very beautiful. And even right now where I have a full like face, it still is enough coverage that it still looks good if you're a full coverage gal. So I just really love it. Really smooth applicator. It's very thin and lightweight, but it's just a really beautiful formula. If you have dry under eyes, try this, you guys. It is really, really nice, and I just can't put it down. Every day I'm popping this out. I really think this is my #1 top favorite concealer of all time. Like, I really, really love it. So it's really good. And then to set the entire face, I've been using this for a while, the Too Faced Peach Perfect powder. If you have dry skin, you're gonna love this. It's really smooth. It will set your makeup, but it won't make you look cakey or dry. I've also seen a couple YouTubers with oily skin really love this powder as well, and they give you a ton in here. It is 35 grams of product. I have the translucent one, and it does smell like peaches, but it's like a light, nice, welcoming smell. It's not too fruity, it's not like nauseating, and it just, you can smell it when you're applying it, but you don't smell it throughout the day. I really love it. And it has, guys, it has a top that you close so that it's portable. You can travel with it. It doesn't get powder all over the place. I just really love this powder. This is my favorite powder of all time. The rest of these products, you're probably going to know I was going to mention these because I've been using these in videos a lot ever since I bought these. These two blushes, I love peachy blushes, and these are so good. They just came out with an Orgasm, the NARS Orgasm blush, and they just came out with it in like a limited edition packaging. It's like pink and metallic and really gorgeous. I heard that the color's a little bit more pinky than the original, but it's really good, and I wish I would have gotten that one. But the NARS Orgasm blush, so beautiful. I love it. This is my absolute favorite. So good. And then the Buxom Wonderlust in Mykonos. This formula is really good, but it's super pigmented. These Buxom blushes are really, really pigmented, and they do last a long time. So just be light-handed with this, just know. But they do blend out like a dream. Super easy to blend, and that's one of my favorite things from these type of blushes, is from this brand and this blush, is how easy and simple it is to blend. It just really smooths out and looks beautiful on the cheeks. So I have been loving this. Okay, let's go to brows. This is my #1 favorite product I've been using for the last month or two, and I knew I had to mention it. This is like the one thing I was like, I'm gonna make this video just so I can mention this product. I got this in a BoxyCharm. This is the Iconic London Sculpt and Boost Eyebrow Cushion. First off, the packaging is gorgeous. It is a cushion eyebrow product. So it's like that, and it has a brush, and it opens up, and you got a spoolie and a brush. I love this, and I love this brush. This brush is so thin. You can get the most hair-like, natural-looking brows of your whole entire life with this. Very pigmented, lots of color in the cushion, and I love this so much that I'm gonna get it again. I'm gonna buy it as soon as I'm done with it. I'm gonna purchase it again. It is all I use on my brows. Very nice. I can get bold brows, I can get sculpted cut brows, I can get very natural hair-like looking brows. You can do everything with this, and it's partly because of this particular brush, but also the formula is very pigmented and very nice. There's two colors in it, like a lighter brown and a darker brown for your tail of your brow. Really, oh, I love this so much, you guys. Check it out, try it. I'm someone that the cushion, like I need like beginner type of brow products because I try a lot of brow products, and I feel like this is very beginner friendly. You just want to have a light pressure. You don't want to be like, because it's very pigmented. Cruella, the Villains, ColourPop, the Villains collection again. Super Shock highlighter, and Cruella is gorgeous. That's what I have on today, and then I put on Anastasia Amrezy highlight on top. But I love this. It has like almost like a red orangey duochromeness. I talked about this also in that review that I linked earlier, but it is the most gorgeous highlight, and it's easy to just use with your fingers and just dot it wherever, just like blend it in wherever you want to put it, and it very easily blends. And this one's kind of one that like you wouldn't think would look so beautiful, but it does, because it has almost like glitz in there, like glitter, but very fine. But on the cheeks, it doesn't look really glittery. It just looks gorgeous. I love it so much. It's very unique. It's a unique highlight to pair up with any other highlights that you kind of have, and to just have that there, it's very unique. And I love the packaging, how slim and like portable it is. This is my most loved but hated all at the same time product, and I'm still gonna mention it even though I have a love-hate thing with this. This is the Too Faced Better Than Sex, and I kind of told you guys about this and showed you on Instagram, on Insta stories, but this makes my lashes look so beautiful and fluffy and big and long, but it transfers to my lower lash line by the end of the night every single time. I look like I have raccoon eyes, so I really have to be checking like at 5 o'clock, start checking and like cleaning under there and wiping it off. But I love it so much. It makes but I can't start wearing it because it makes my lashes look so gorgeous. I heard they have a waterproof version. I hope that they do. If they do, I'm gonna pick it up and try it, because I don't think that will smudge underneath the lower lashes. But I love this so much. I wish it just wouldn't smudge all over the place, but like it takes all day. Like after a full day, like around 5 o'clock, that's when it starts to really smudge. But I love this so much. Anyways, another thing I really love is the ColourPop Volumizing Mascara. This one's in left on right. This is what I have on my lower lashes. This is just fun to put on your lower lashes and to add some color to your look. And it looks pretty cool. It's like it makes people double take, like, whoa, that's cool. And it looks really nice under the lower lashes and the lower lash, on your lower lashes. And I don't think it's gonna make you look drugged up or tired or crazy. I think it looks nice and it looks cool, and I really love it. So this is just fun to kind of add some color, like a mascara on the lower lashes is always just fun. And so I have that on today, and I just really like it. And I think the formula is bomb. I haven't tried the black one, but the formula seems like it's really good. These are the only two lip products I've been wearing for the last 2 months, and I love it. So, and they're both from the Villains collection. The Villains was from ColourPop. I kind of spoke about 2 other products earlier. They did a bomb job with this collection. It's really good. So we have here Hades. It's the lipstick, and it is a peachy color. This is a great nude peach. It's beautiful. It's perfect for summer, for spring, but it's perfect for every day. But it has, like, it just looks beautiful. It's not too natural that it's not visible. Like, it's very full coverage and really beautiful, and I love the color. This is like my perfect peach color. I swatched it in that review video as well, and I just love it. And the formula, these ColourPop lipsticks are always really good. And also this ultra glossy lip. Whew, this is in Puppies, and this one has a very beautiful, almost goldy, peachy gold sheen to it. This is gorgeous just on your natural lips, just by itself. You can also put this on your lower lip to make it look plumpier, like right in the center, to pair up with any lipsticks. You can pair these two up together. Really beautiful. I don't have that on today. Today I have like a fiery, beautiful metallic lip. Shadow Man lip gloss is what I have on. But I really love this, and this is great for every day. And I'm not someone who likes glittery lip gloss or lip gloss in general, but these ones I really love, and I think the color is really beautiful, and it's not too, like, I think even more mature women can wear this and pull this off, and it will just look beautiful and just fresh and just youthful on your lips, and they make your lips look very plumpy, and I really love it. So anyways, those are my favorites that I wanted to share with you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a like, make sure you're subscribed, make sure you go check out that giveaway video. It's the Aries makeup tutorial look that I'm doing giveaway. So make sure that you have entered. It's completely free, and I'm giving away 6 nail polishes. So you definitely want to be entered. I love you guys. You guys are amazing. Comment below and tell me some of your favorite products. Guys, I love you. I hope you guys are having a wonderful week, a wonderful month, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.